Usahay, murag gibagyo ta. Wow! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends! Siyempre, bagong video, bagong laag. Mag-guess ba ninyo kung asa na sa tapadong karon? Well, stay tuned! Charot! Ang mga kuma, makaunsa sila. Mauday ni siya tong financer. Okay, back to the road! So guys, welcome to Antipolo Beach Resort. Medyo tricky lang din ang ilahang road. Maong dili ako ang driver. The place itself is beautiful, kaso bati ang panahon. O siya, enough with the talking again. Enjoy the view. See what's inside our room. Huwag mo ni siya ang nag-birthday. Video okay at night? Almost time to go home. Salamat Auntie Nally sa paglibre sa lunch.